Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a shape not transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to make shape now not transparent. At first, go to the shape. Now you can see here a shape and inside the text, but the text is showing. Now we want to make the shape not transparent. Go to the shape format menu and select the format shape option, then enable the fill option. Then we can see here the increasing the transparency. Now we want to make the shape not transparent, make the transparency 0. Select the number of transparency, then write 0, then press enter. Now we can see we make the shape not transparent very easily. You can make the shape transparent, increase the transparency. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.